Okay, guys, McQueen is here.
The sun is up, the engine's
Let's go, McQueen!
Feel the light. No time for sitting, no time for slow. It's time for
Give me all the money! Put all the money in these bags. Woohoo! Gotcha! Let's go!
What a sunny day for a drive! There's that Minion! Let's catch him!
Stop the vehicle! Pull over immediately! Those pesky cats again!
They're best friends forever, right here, right now. He chases shadows red and gold. The greatest story ever told.
He ran away again!
With all their might.
This is so much fun! Woohoo!
Fly free, best friends forever. Just wait and see.
Ta-ta-ta miso! Butta banana! Papoy banana! Me mad banana!
He pushes pebbles. He
What's
pulls
the
line,
Sigma?
making sure his friend
What is bro
doing
saying?
fine.
Gelato!
Hides beneath the hood.
Ta-ta-ta bella ciao!
Strong and good. They share a secret.
Oh, all right, let's go then.
Taking every challenge as a chance. They visit Fillmore to see the town. They never let a grumpy mood hang down. From dusty roads to
Fix
the
your
living
car,
room
kid,
floor.
and then
There's always
find
an
me.
adventure waiting for more. They learn from each other, kind and
I'm sorry, McQueen, and I failed to save you. The Minion broke my McQueen.
It's okay, baby. We will fix him.
There's a lot of work to do.
making sure his friend is doing fine. If the kitten hides beneath the hood, McQueen protects him strong and good. They share a secret, a laugh, a glance, taking every challenge as a chance. They visit Fillmore to see the town. They never let a grumpy mood hang down. From dusty roads to the living room floor, there's always an adventure waiting for more. They learn from each other.
Whew! Finally, it's done. Baby would be so happy.
3, 2, 1. Okay, open your eyes.
Cars, racing wheels, what a sight! Chasing the sun with all their might.
McQueen again?
Adventures happen every week. The kitten cheers, the tires fly free. Best friends forever, just wait and see.
Go catch her! Do not lose her!
But she was just here.
She vanished! Where could a zombie go?
I finally lost them. Now I am
Siren sound was fading down the street. She'd lost the police. Her escape was sweet. She searched for safety,
Let me
quiet in the
inside.
dawn,
Please,
until
open
she
the
found
door.
a small house
Let me
before the
in.
dawn. It was loco, the kitten's place, cozy and sound, the perfect refuge that she had just found. Inside the house,
You have to
Loco
let me
sat
in.
up and eat, watching
Open the door
TV,
right now!
eating a small treat. Then knock, 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 a sound upon the glass. He checked the window, hoping nothing would pass. But when he looked, his eyes grew wide with fear. The zombie woman was standing right there. He screamed and ran, hiding under his sheets, hoping to escape those shuffling feet. The woman sighed, she broke the window pane, stepping inside, leaving the cold, dark rain. She found little Loco hidden in his bed, and knelt down softly, ignoring the fear he bred. She kissed his head, she fed him a nice meal. She bathed him gently, showing him love was real. She took good care of the kitten day by day, and both were happy in their own sweet way. Oh, Loco and the lady, their secret was safe indeed. The love they shared while the whole world was asleep. Two lonely souls found comfort in the dark, a tender friendship leaving its lasting mark. The days passed by in safety and in peace. Their quiet hidden life brought great release. But then one evening, watching the screen glow, they saw the news reporting fast and slow. The anchor said, "We have a brand new clue." The police knew exactly where the woman flew. Loco and the lady looked with heavy dread. The happy time was coming to a head. The sirens wailed, the police came to the door. The woman hid quickly inside the closet door.
Don't tell anyone.
Searched the house with careful look, shaking every corner, every little nook. They found the woman, quiet and resigned. The hiding spot was useless, too easy to find. The police arrested her and locked her out with grace. And Loco was heartbroken, tears streamed down.
Hello, little kitten.
His face.
Did you see this old evil woman?
The months went by, the lonely days were hard. Loco missed his friend, watching his guard. But the police were kind, they saw the woman's grace. They took her to the doctors, finding a safe place. They gave her medicine, they helped her heal the wound. They treated her
Stop
until she
resisting
was
right
safe
now.
and sound. The magic
your
worked,
hands
the
off me.
darkness fled away. The zombie
I
woman
said calm
was a
down.
human again.
Don't take her away.
She changed her clothes, she fixed her lovely hair, and ran
You're
right
coming with
back
me.
to the
Get in the
friend
vehicle.
who truly cared. She came back to Loco,
I hate
who
you.
leaped up
Get your
with
hands off me.
pride. The happiest little kitten beneath the sky. They hugged and laughed, the sad times were all through, and both lived happily, their sweet dream came true. Loco and the lady,
I
their
miss
friendship
you.
won the day. The sweetest comfort that